Hello. I'm gonna be playing Brawlhalla at the same time as solving a Rubik's Cube. So, I'm gonna mess up the Rubik's Cube and try to win at the same time as solving it. I've never tried this before, but hopefully it will work out. I don't know how easy or hard this is gonna be, but I'll give it my best shot.
3, 2, 1, brawl!
It's really hard to solve it one-handed, but also even attack my opponent and, you know, look at the cube. Brawlhalla is kind of a game where you have to always be active. So, okay, I have the green cross done. Oh my god, I can't believe I got caught by that. We're not making any progress. In the cube, there's no way I'm gonna be able to win this match. Thankfully, my opponent's not too good. I can kind of just evade their attacks with a game on the corner of my screen. I've got my first F2L pair. I think I'm kind of making them upset, avoiding their attacks. But, you know. Alright, they're kind of in the orange now. I'm gonna try to get my second F2L pair in. We're gonna go for the red and yellow pair. Okay, I just died, so that's like the perfect time to just get some progress in. Okay, we're gonna kill them and then finish the cube, probably, while they respawn. Okay, I don't even... Okay, that's really good. Ah! Okay, we solved the cube. Now all we have to do is win this at a severe disadvantage. That was pretty close. Strategy is to solve the cube while there's some kind of break. I think that just KOing them and then doing as much as I can of the cube while they're respawning is the best strategy, and also when I'm respawning. Okay. Great. Oh, I almost died there. They're really awesome. Okay, great. I just got clipped. Alright, we have one F2L pair down. Almost died. That's not good. Oh, okay, that's close. Killed them. Where was I? Yeah, it's another F2L pair down. Oh, almost read them. Almost is not, definitely not good enough here in this situation. Oh, nice. Oh my god, I don't know that. Oh, well. Okay. Great. That's actually perfect. Now all we have to do is win this game and then we are in the clear. I think that's not going to be too hard. I kind of want to go for Scythe, even though I feel like I'm at a disadvantage, but I just feel like I'm playing Scythe better against them. Oh, I could have killed them. No way I die here. Oh, what a save! No way that they just dodged that. Okay. We can win this. Oh. I just need a weapon. I'm really good at dodging everything. Come on, this is so close. I can totally win this. Okay. I'm definitely gonna win this next game. That was really, really close. I definitely got this. Alright, it's a good match.
3, 2, 1, brawl!
First weapon. Okay, they don't seem super amazing. Okay, we've already gotten them in the orange and I've barely been hit. Now they're in the red. I think I can win this game. Okay, I just need to like, that. Yeah, I totally forgot what I was gonna do for the cross. Okay. I have an F2 pair done. I'm kind of at the same pace as I was last time, so I should be able to finish. Okay, we're way ahead of them. We can definitely win this game. I did not die there. I died there. Okay, we're done with F2L. They kind of waited for me, which is really nice. Okay, we're like basically in the same section. Okay, that's great, that's great, that's great. We can totally finish a cube right here. Oh, I messed up. Crap. Okay, whatever, that's fine. We can still win this. Okay, I just have a G perm, I think, based on what I saw in the cube. I can try to get them into the red and just hit them when they're far away after I hit them in like a safe, but they might die. We can do... Okay, that's an R perm. We can finish that really, really fast. This is a good PLL. Okay, I almost died there. That would have been really bad. Okay, R perm. I did it. All I have to do is win now. Okay, they really threw. I won? I won! Oh, that was so close. Let's go. Alright. That was a good game. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one.